What's up, guys? Dante here. This is an unboxing and setup of my new LG soundbar. Now, this is the Sl4y. Instead of an A, there's a 4. I guess it's the Sl4y, so it is what it is as far as the name. But for me, I like soundbars to some degree, because if you ain't got a full surround sound system for your whatever room you actually use the soundbar in, this is a good replacement for that. It doesn't give you the full immersed 5.1 surround sound, but this is just something simple that you can kind of get more immersed in as far as watching movies, or I guess any TV show you like to watch. They got a little action in it. It'll kind of get you more immersed as far as the sound effects and all those things when it comes to just the quality of a nice, somewhat sound system. Now, as I'm unboxing this, it has a few things in there. It has the power cord, for the bar. And it doesn't come with a HDMI cable. This one doesn't have HDMI output, which is odd, I guess, because most ones I had that. But this just used the optical cable, which is fine. You just plug this in to a LG TV with an optical cord and it hooks up right away. One of the things I have noticed, that once you hook it up, you still have to use the actual remote for the soundbar. It doesn't allow you to use the remote on the TV to kind of navigate and use the volumes up and down with that, which is weird, because my Sony soundbar that I hooked up to that TV, once you turn on the TV, the soundbar turns on along with the TV, and you can use the remote for the TV to turn your soundbar into what you want it to. Now, that's what I like. I thought I was going to get with this one, but this doesn't have that. So if you're looking for that, you'll be a little disappointed with this. But as far as the remote is very basic, volume up and down, sound effects, mute, you have your equalizer button, and that's pretty much it. And it doesn't take that much. It's just a soundbar. So this ain't a full-on, sound system where you can acute where you want the sound to be peaking at one point of view and all that. No, this ain't that. So as you can see, the setup is pretty simple. All you gotta do is plug in the optical cable and plug it in, and you're good to go. It's the subwoofer and the bar links up right away. He doesn't really have no problems having to pair it up, so it's just paired. So once you go into the settings on the TV and pick optical, you can just start using the soundbar, and then you can go to the settings you want. You can have a bass setting. There's a cinematic setting. I think it's acoustic setting. So you can choose which one is best suited for you. I prefer the cinematic because it gives you that cinematic sound when it comes to watching movies and TV shows overall. But this is pretty much my little new soundbar for my LG OLED TV. I was missing that because OLED speakers are the worst. So this will give me a little bit of immersed sound when I'm watching my TV shows and my movies. But please hit that like, subscribe button, and share this video. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.